You're right still, but me not really. To be honest, me not really do chop. Or me not feel like me put out much chop dancehall things. Me not really do chop dancehall. Me kind of try to stay in the bouncy lane. Why? But you get me I say?
Yeah.
More authentic dancehall drum patterns where can at least come reach over them side.
Yeah.
You get me I say? So that me try to go for more instead of the trap dancehall thing because it only good enough for the diaspora. You know, I'm want to reach further than that, obviously. If you would I want to say, it's on more, what did I say? American.
No, what may I talk about it? I may I talk about
Give me an example.
nowadays dancehall in general have
Sound more
a
American.
have a American like
There's a lot of
R&B
like
pop to it.
R&B and I would say R&B and like especially Afrobeat influence to it, which is interesting because Afrobeat have a lot of dancehall influence.